Today's the day, man. It's finna get towed up out of here. But I got a couple things I need to do real quick before it goes. I'm geeked up. I'm so excited, man. So the car is headed to Baca Performance. My boy Frank, he gonna take care of it. And this is my first time going to him on a restoration project. This is the first time I'm gonna put a car like this together. But y'all stay tuned, man. I'm finna air up the tires, make sure everything rolling. And I got a little time. I done left the barbershop to come over here and do this. So y'all stay tuned. Got that wire harness, man. Shout out to my boy Penny, man. He got my wire harness all together, re-loomed it, tested out the continuity on everything, cleaned up the grounds, added a new socket. Oh my goodness, man. My boy did his thing. He wanted to see me outside, man. I can't wait. That's a major thing for me right there, to make sure that my shit don't catch on fire. So now that that's done, I gotta order that shroud for the electric fans. That I can go ahead and put the electric fans, the relay, and everything. I already got all those parts. I just gotta try to get them all together, get them put on in here, man. So, but y'all see baby over here sitting pretty, man. Look at that motherfucker, man. That chrome hitting. That boy. Yeah, boy, I did my thing on that one, man. Look at that motherfucker. But I gotta get out here, get ready to go home, get the day started for tomorrow, man. I'm always tinkering with this thing, always trying to make it better. Man, so my coolant, my radiator shroud came in with these cheap fans. I'm gonna take these cheap fans off and put them spout fans in there. I think that may do. I'm going to wait till I take the car to the mechanic, see what he tell me. Oh, man, got the bottom half of this bumper pretty much put together. Just got a couple more little things. I'm going to put the wire harness on there. Just trying to keep any overspray, keep it from getting scratched, anything like that. So, doing everything to put it back together. All the lights and stuff. I'm going to put it back like new. So, yep, aired up the tires, worked on the dually. I think this has been a productive day. So, when I get this out, it'll be a while before I get another job in, so that'll be cool, because I need to dedicate all my undivided time and attention to this one. And then I need to go ahead and wrap up the back of that Camaro. So that's how that's gonna go.
Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh. Big as like a motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Smoking like, drinking like, roaming out the booth. Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh. Big as like a motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Jumping out hopping out the evacuate the truck and then I get into a demon. You know I'm about the water, I don't really need a reason. I was at the bottom with the bloods, I was anemic. I don't wanna talk about it, way too hot, it ain't the season. Staying low key, where's luxury, have you seen them? Got me looking like I'm out about it, front is my demeanor. Here at the location and I'm getting out the leaner. I ain't doing no complaining, I'm just trying to get a beamer. Trying to get the back up when we popping out the show. And I only act that when we putting on the show. Cooking up the product, then I put it up for show. Better pay me like I'm Kirk, I'm a whipping with the dough. Hands so tight, I'll captivating when I flow. Even when I'm in the dark, I still can manage with the glow. Haven't given up because my flag is on the pole. This is just another lover, ex Mario, you know. Sneaking in the building, and I'm climbing out the window. Got no baby mama, but I hit a couple widows. Love me when I'm down, but it's hate when I get sendo. Heavy in the back because I'm black and got the stilo. Promising it never gonna be another me though. I can have when some rains, even when I'm getting zero. Dog 30 heat, King James, you a hero. Tryna do as the Romans, everybody can't be Nero. Walk like, talk like, move like, juice. Walking like, talking like, and moving like.
There it is. It's up there. There you go. You got it up there. It's gone. Doja towing, man. My boy Doja came through as always, man. Y'all get at him if y'all need a tow. AGI distributor, that'll make it easy. You probably just need to get a different bracket for your power steering setup altogether. Just move it up out of the way. That'd save you a lot of trouble. Because that big old steering gear, it's gonna be right in the way.
Yeah. I was thinking we could shim the engine up a little bit, but I don't know. Because that's going to change the angle of the drive shaft and everything too. Because you can shim them a little bit, but...
You can probably just get you a good old aftermarket style power steering bracket. Just bring it up here. Bring your pump up here. Yeah, because I was looking at the CVIs, but I want to make sure I'm getting the right thing because I'd already bought multiple pumps. I cut them up on them. The offset was always like at least one groove off when we would put the belt on. So then we pushed the pulley so far back that it snapped the stem on the last one, but the first one. Then I cut the pulley because we couldn't get it out the bracket, the last one. So this is I'm 3 pumps in now.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's getting expensive.
Yeah.
And they're all gonna want to be right.
It's 197. Got the louvers on it. Good, looking good. I need you to put this mic on, Frank, so you can tell the people what's going on with my car, man. We at Baca Performance. I'm finna give you your mic.
Oh shit.
I'm hoping they bring you some business.
All right.
Let's see if that blue light come on. You got to press that side button till the blue light come on. Let me see when it come on. Just hold that one. Now you guys see the blue light come on the front. Let me see.
Yeah. I don't know.
There we go. Nah, cause I ain't gonna be able to tell him. Here you go.
I'm not really sure what.
Let me just
Doing
put it
here.
on. You could just snap it on your shirt. Just let me
Shit,
help
man,
you.
I'm not really trying to do all that right now, man.
Yeah, I just want you to just tell them what's wrong with it, though.
Shit, I don't really know right now, man. We got,
You don't really know.
got a lot of stuff going on.
Okay. But you did get that power steering pump fixed.
I got it. Yeah, I got it on there.
Okay. So as y'all can see, man, it's in there. What you were saying though, the AC delete was something wrong with the AC delete?
Yeah, the belt's off a little bit.
It's a little off.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to shimmy it or see if we can move the bracket over a little bit.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Just a small hiccup, nothing major. But that power steering, what did you have to do? You had to shim the motor up?
Yeah, just a little bit.
And then we still got to do custom lines for that power steering, huh? You was able to make that pump work? That'll actually work?
It should work. I don't think we have to do custom lines.
Okay.
It should work.
Okay, because those lines are for the Monte Carlo and it don't match the motor.
Yeah.
So
This one should be fine. I mean, we can bend this that way.
mhm.
I'll have to look down here. It looked like it was pretty close, but I'll have to go underneath and check.
Man, I got a new shop coming, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm finna go to Haltom City.
Nice.
And so I want to make my shop real nice and clean like how yours is.
Yeah.